This is the official presentation of the Grundig. On the top, you have a counter, level, record, rewind, stop, start, fast forward, temporary stop, which is a pause, on and off, tone, and of course the volume battery. On the back side of it, let's do the side. It's a little clip which you just take off. Now you're wondering why the banana plug's there, because that's where originally the plug would have been stored, and to use the batteries the plug has to be in there. So this simultates one of the connections, so you can run it off batteries. You've got some weird ding kind of jack there. You've got your microphone in and your external speaker. That switch is for switching from external and internal. Just give me a second, I'll put my lamp back. Oh, flipping heck. Oh dear God. Right, I'll be with you in a minute. Oh. There we go. Some of my 45s fell off. Pick them up. Alright, on the back, it clips off. Made in West Germany. Don't know if you can see that. You've got your speaker grill here and the battery. And there. You've also got a fuse and the voltage selector. Nothing on that side. So let's just replace the cover back for this unit. Alright, so let's switch it on. You'll hear the fan on the motor. Just take the cover off. And you can see it has no reels. Speed selector here. The little clips for the reels. And the head missing, and it's missing the head cover. I'll thread the reels onto it now. There we go. So here's the here is the cream in my coffee, and I transferred it from the tape output of that album. I fully serviced this just an hour ago, and I've just come back on it. Where is the belt that I replaced? I've lost the belt, but anyway, I replaced one of the belts in it. Let's just fast forward this to the end, because I've got a little message on the tape. test on the Grundig TK6 reel-to-reel. I've just serviced this machine. I've replaced one belt. I've lubricated, oiled the mechanism, and it could do with a new motor, but I'm going to have to keep a search out for one of them. It wouldn't run on 1 7/8. The motor just was too sluggish, it just wouldn't do it on 1 7/8, but that's all correct now, as I'll show you. As you can see, it does record on 1 7/8. And we're back up to 3 3/4 again. So there, that's a test on all the speeds of this unit. This unit is really nice. I really like it. It's one of my favourites. I know I shouldn't have favourites, but it's a very well made Grundig, and Grundigs are very well made in my opinion. I mean, most of them are. So we can of course just rewind this tape a little bit and play you a bit of that modern Thanks for watching. See you soon.